Hello and welcome again to another Kikuyu lesson with Teacher Martin. So I hope you are doing well. I hope that you have subscribed, that you are going to like and share this video so that you may continue giving me support. Thank you all my supporters. May God richly bless you. So today we are going to be naming several items that we find in the house. Okay. And without much ado, let's start with the first. Morago. Morago. That's the door. For instance, to say this is a door, you say Oyo ne morago. Oyo ne morago. Number 2 is dirisha. 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 Dirisha is window. To say this is a window, we say eno ne dirisha. Eno ne dirisha. Eno ne dirisha. Good. We go to the next. Meda. 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 Eno ne meda. This is a table. From there we go to the next. Gete. 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 Geke ne gete. This is a chair. Good. We go on. Getada. 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 Geke ne getada. This is a bed. Kafati. 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 Eno ne kafati. Eno ne kafati. This is a cupboard. Bafu. 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 Eno ne bafu. Eno ne bafu. This is a bathroom. Next. Keoro. 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 Geke ne keoro. This is a toilet. Riko. 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 Lere ne riko. This is a cooker. Riko can refer to many tools used for cooking. For instance, riko ya gasi, that's a gas cooker. Riko ya ritima, that is a electric cooker. Riko ya go, that's a firewood cooker. Then we have jiko, that is the charcoal stove. So, with the help of someone, you can just go and try naming these words: spoon, plate, cup, towel, and bottle. So thank you for taking your time to listen to me. Make sure that you are subscribed, that you are going to comment, share, and continue requesting whatever you want to learn from Teacher Martin. For now, it's a goodbye till we meet in the next. God bless you. Bye bye.